If you've ever tried to stretch text in Canva, you've probably noticed that increasing the font size only makes the text bigger, not wider. No matter how much you resize it, the text won't stretch to fill the space you need. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stretch text in Canva. First, open your Canva design and select your text. From the text options, click on Effects. Now scroll down to the Apps section, or go to the left-hand menu. Click on Apps, then search for Typecraft and select it. Here, click on the arrow icon, then click on Typecraft. Click on Open. Once the app opens, type the text you want to use. In this example, I'll type stretch text. Next, choose a font. Keep in mind that Typecraft does not include every font available in Canva because it's a third-party app. You'll need to either select a similar font or use one that's already available in the app. You can also upload your own font if you want an exact match. I'll choose Anton for this example. Now move to the Wrap Effect panel. To stretch the text, select Custom. Then adjust the side control points to stretch the text horizontally. You can make it perfectly even or give it a custom shape, like making the middle letters taller than the ends. Adjust each point until you're happy with the shape. When you're satisfied, click Add to Design. The stretched text will now appear on your canvas. Resize it, position it, and center it wherever you need. If you click anywhere outside the element, the app will close. From here, you can change the fill style, outline color, text color, or thickness. After making changes, click Update Element, and Canva will instantly apply the updates to your design. That's how you stretch text in Canva the right way using Typecraft. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.